Short sale agent and default advocate discusses RCS Wells Fargo Fannie Mae short sale. Hey, short sale agent, default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale specialist Mike Wrigley here, bringing you the latest short sale information. Thank you for joining us. Today, let's talk about our recent RCS Wells Fargo Fannie Mae short sale. That's a mouthful. This past week, we received our approval on this short sale. It was a Residential Credit Solutions serviced Fannie Mae owned first and a Wells Fargo home equity line, or HELOC, second. It was critical to the seller to remain current while the short sale was in process. We initiated the short sale back in mid-September. However, even though we had successfully completed Fannie Mae short sales with the borrower remaining current, RCS would not submit the file to Fannie Mae for review while the seller was current. Since it was mid-October when they declined the file, rather than escalate directly to Fannie Mae, we waited the 2 weeks, resubmitted the file on November 1 based on Fannie Mae's new guidelines, stating that the homeowner would just only have to risk of imminent default, which these folks certainly were. With the file resubmitted November 1st, I have to say we threw RCS for a loop. Not fully aware of the revised guidelines, which is scary in itself, RCS took a week or so to confirm that the file did meet Fannie Mae's guidelines. Well, it took us right around 60 days to get the approval, which is longer than usual for us. We did receive short sale approval and relocation assistance for this borrower. The Wells Fargo second was more than helpful and issued the approval on the second within 10 business days of receiving the approval letter from the first. Well, once again, all's well that ends well. Now we still have to close this escrow, and there can always be some turbulence in that process. But for the most part, this family will avoid foreclosure, avoid the credit impact of missed payments, get $3,000 in relocation assistance, and most importantly, get a fresh start financially. That's just huge. So is a short sale right for you? Give me a call. Let's find out. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for a free, no-obligation consultation, or for the latest short sale information. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did. I'll look forward to hearing from you.